Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to part 2. So we're going to bring it all together now and both find the slope and graph with intercepts. Let's go ahead and graph these points. We have 0, 4. So 0, 4 would be move left or right 0 and up 4. That's right there. And 6, 0. So 6, 0 would be move right 6 and up or down 0. So now from here we can go ahead and say, okay, this obviously is our y-intercept, 0, 4. And this obviously is our x-intercept, 6, 0. It might be helpful to remember again, the y-intercept is when x is 0 and the x-intercept is when y is 0. We go ahead and with our straight edge, draw a straight line through those guys, and we can see, okay, we have a negative sloping line, but what is the slope of that actual line? Well, we just go ahead and use the slope formula, right? We have x's and y's, so 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 6. We get 4 over negative 6, which simplified is 2 over negative 3. So there's your slope. And on the next one, number 2. So first going to graph negative 2, 0. So that means we move left negative 2, up or down 0. That's our x-intercept. And then we graph 0, 2. That means move left or right 0 and up 2. Connect those 2 points with a straight edge going all the way through the graph and arrows at the end. And now we go ahead and we can easily say, like we said, our x-intercept was negative 2, 0. Our y-intercept was 0, 2. And we just say x and y, and we say, all right, 0 minus 2 over negative 2 minus 0. Right, 0 minus 2, the top one minus the bottom one, so the top one minus the bottom one, right? 0 minus 2 is negative 2, negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2, and we get negative 2 divided by 2 gives us positive 1, and this is a positive sloping graph. I also hope you can notice that if I go from any point up 1 over 1, I land on the line. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. I should be landing on the line every single time that happens. Right? So, a quick check for understanding. I would flip back over to your front side notes to see if you can get these right. What is the value of x at the y-intercept? So think about an axis. The y-intercept is going to be right here. What's the value of x when you're on the y-axis? 0. What is the value of y at the x-intercept? So think about, again, x-axis right here. What's the value of y going to be when you're on the x-intercept? 0. All right, so we're going to go ahead in this last one. We're going to plot all these points. We're going to name the y-intercept, we're going to name the x-intercept, x-int, and the y-int, the y-intercept. And we're going to use those 2 points to find our slope, even though we could use any 2 points we want. So right off the bat, let's go ahead and graph negative 2, 0, so left 2, up 0, boom. Negative 1, 2, negative 1, up 2, right there. 0, 4, so move left or right 0, up 4, that's right there. And 1, 6, move right 1, up 6. Right, and so now we connect this, and hopefully the color coding kind of gives it away. The x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis, that's at negative 2, 0. And the y-intercept, that's where it crosses the y-axis, is at 0, 4. So now that we have those 2 points, we'll go ahead and solve. We'll say x, y, so 0 minus 4, negative 2 minus 0. We get negative 4 over negative 2. Some of you are scratching your head, but wait, I thought it was a positive sloping graph. It is. A negative divided by negative is a positive. You get 2 over 1 as your slope. From any point on here, you should be able to move up 2 and over 1 and land on the line. Up 2, 1, 2, right 1. Oh, there it is. Up 2, 1, 2, right 1. Up 2, 1, 2, right 1. There you go. It's the end of part 2.